guys, in the part 15, we have the earthquake tower. Wait, earthquake is coming! Hey, what's going on? Ah, okay. It's earthquake! The tower! Oh gosh! What is going on? Oh gosh! Tower! Oh! Roads are breaking! The towers collapse! Oh gosh! Ah! Oh! What? I think the brothers died. Let's see. What's going on? Ah! It's a sea. Okay. Whoa! What is injured? Whoa! The one is injured. The one is dead. Whoa! Whoa! It's creepy. It's dark. It's their shadow. Hey, are you okay, Meadow? Yes. You survived, but Apple just dead. Whoa. Gosh. Earthquake is coming. Oh gosh. Oh no. Gosh, no. Oh gosh. There's earthquake's coming, but I have to go to the Philippines. Bye bye, see you in the part 4.